Hello from Slovenia again. It's another day of my rainbow week, and today I will try to do a spiral reverse flower dip, since I have these paints in my squeeze bottle. So I will just start with this green. I will draw kind of a circle first, kind of, and a spiral. So, I should have done a pearl white first, so I will just go around with pearl white and add a little more green maybe, because I need my pearl white and I didn't do it right. This one didn't start as I planned. I need some green here. I hope that this will not be total disaster because of it. And I will go with yellow next to the green. So it will be kind of a beginner technique too, because you just draw a spiral and do a reverse dip then. And pearl white again. And orange. And red. And pearl white again. Violet. I will list all my paints and brands into the description box below this video, so you can check my colors there. And blue. Add a little green here that I miss maybe. Maybe a little more white. And I will spray my paper napkin with water again, just to soften it down a little bit. Let's put this down. Whoop. Okay. And I will just gently touch this all around. And let's lift this. Let's see. I didn't do a spiral reverse dip for I don't know so long, so I really don't know how this will work. And I switch color order today, so let's see how this will go. Not as good as I thought at all. Let's see if something will develop here. I definitely did a mistake because I forgot to add white first, pearl white. And I did get some muddy kind of colors. Probably it wasn't a good idea to switch this. I like the previous combination much more. So let's spin this and see if I can get something out of this. I really want this to flow over the edges. And I really don't like it. I totally lost my yellow, turned this weird green. So definitely don't like this order that I put my colors on. I really don't like it. Just can't get it right. Because I really want to stretch this as much as I can to see if maybe I can keep it, but probably not. Whoop! I almost throw my spin table. So it became totally something different. It's definitely not a flower, but let's see if I can live with it. Because it's kind of interesting, because it looks like a shelf or something, so I will probably leave it and see how it will look when it dries, and if I will not like it, I still can pour over. What is this black spot here and here? Okay. As I said, I will leave it and see what will look like, how it will look like when it will dry. So let me take you for a close-up. It kind of looks like a shelf or something, I don't know. See? But I can't say that I like this painting at all. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!